James Doyle here. I'd like to invite you to follow me on my journey to learn from race car drivers, builders, and CEOs of today's automotive industry on what tomorrow's technology will bring. Cars are awesome! Hey, James Doyle here, and I'm really excited to unbox this INGERSOLL RAND impact gun. And I'm getting this because I wanted to do this industry for the rest of my life. And my dad always taught me to always get the big guns and always get the right equipment and the good equipment so that you can do a good and professional job. And now I know that this impact gun is the best because I look at who is the best, which is NASCAR. And they have to take cars apart the most, and it really is important that I get the same impact gun as they do. And they use INGERSOLL RAND, which really is incredible. So now I'm going to be unboxing this right now. So right here, right off the bat, it comes with a good bag to, travel with your impact gun. Here is the charger. This is the battery, and then right here is the beast itself. So here it is in all of its glory, and let me just throw the battery on. So now let me just go through a lot of what this gun has to offer. So right here, you can see here that it actually does have 4 different modes, and it's actually very illuminated. It's really good, and you can, if you're in the dark space, you easily know what mode you're in. Right here is hand tight mode. And now this limits you to 10 pound-feet of torque. It will automatically turn off when you get to 10 pound-feet of torque. Now with wrench tight mode, it's the same as hand tight mode, just instead of 10 pound-feet of torque, it's 110 pound-feet of torque. So it'll automatically stop there. Then right here you have half power and full power. And let me tell you, almost all of the modes are full power with this. So now right here, which direction you're going is on the side here, and what you have to do is put it in neutral, okay? And as it's in neutral, look at the lights that come on. Now, what you can do the first light is really bright, and it's actually almost too bright for some jobs you have to do, so you can dim it down. And then once it's in at the light that you want, what you do, you put in your mode, and you can work while your light's on. So it really is a handy light to have while you're working. So now, another thing to keep in mind is that this is a new 20-volt line, so it really is incredible, and it has so much power. Now right here, it has little lights or whatever. So you will press that button, okay, and it brings up that light, and it tells you what power that you're at. Alright? So this really is a great drill. Now let's go right to the charger right now. So now let's look at this. This is the wire right here, but I just want to show you guys one thing. You guys like to have your phones on you at all times. Well, say that it's running low. Right here it actually has a USB port, so you can charge your phone from this. So not just your drill, but your phone as well. This is a universal charger, so you can charge their 20-volt line, or you can charge their 12-volt line. And it says right over here. And then this is the wire for it as well. So this drill really is an ideal drill. And also, one last thing to let you guys know is that for the pound-feet of torque going in back, so for when you're pulling away, it's up to 1,500 pound-feet of torque, which is insane. But now, when you also go in forward, it's actually also 1,000 pound-feet of torque, which is so great and so incredible. And now, a little thing I like, this pen, this really does improve the quality of my writing. So that's all for the review of my new impact gun. I really do like it. Thank you so much, INGERSOLL RAND, for producing such a high quality drill. I'm probably not going to need another impact gun for the rest of my life. So thank you so much, INGERSOLL RAND, and I am so stoked right now. Alex and their team, give me a job!